Hello everyone, and welcome to Nakamura-Tome Global Channel. It's a beautiful sunny day here in Japan as we step into September 2023. A significant event is now on the horizon, EMO Hannover 2023, scheduled to open on September 18th. And among the grand stage of this event, we showcase an ensemble of 8 remarkable machines. Firstly, let's talk about the star of the show, the WY100V. This machine is making its grand debut on the world stage, and our big boss, CEO Shogo Nakamura, will be there for the first 4 days to personally introduce it. Please don't miss this opportunity. Get ready to be wowed by the SC100X2 and SC200 Mark II stepping into the spotlight. The SC100X2, an advancement of the AS and SC series, serves as a gateway to the realm of our multi-turret machines. And the SC200 Mark II, an 8-inch class machine, is capable of performing like a 10-inch counterpart. We demonstrate the oscillation cutting and heavy cutting with those machines. Keep your eyes out of the demos. It will be outstanding. There are also some impressive multi-turret machines lined up for you: WT150 Mark II, NTY3150, and NTJ100. Check out for the 2-turret, 3-turret, and the super unique B-axis swiveling turret machines. And that's not all. The notable 2-spindle ATC multitasking machines, JX200 and MX100, are appearing too. Moreover, the built-in automation system compact loader servo is embedded with MX100. I believe these machines are going to exceed your wildest expectations. There's even more to explore. Our showcase isn't just about machines. We are also bringing some seriously cool software and eco solutions to the table. So mark your calendars and get ready to see them in action. We are here to make EMO Hannover 2023 an unforgettable experience. We are looking forward to seeing you there. Bye for now.